Assalamualaikum to Dr. Sushilawati. We are from Group 12, from Section 1 and 2, want to present our slide. My name is Esafati Benjani Mamudi, metric card CF170107. For the introduction, we are about to talk about the engineering. Is the application of the science and math to the solved problem. Engineers figure out things work and find practical uses for scientific discovery. Engineers who are instrumental in making those innovations available to the world economy is the social science of studies, production, distribution and consumption of goods service. It is a complex social science that spans from mathematics, psychology, at its most basic, however, economy consider how a society provides for its needs. For the objective of the project, we have to identify viability of the construction project to be executed from the perspective of economy. The second one is to identify the approach to manage economy and financial management for the construction project. For the next slide, I will pass to my fellow friend. Thank you.
Okay, for our company mission is to embrace professional and see excellence. Second, value our employer as the key of our success. And third, always put our customer first and strive to secure their loyalty to top quality product and service. And last, identify and help Bumiputera own company to be more competitive in field of investment in construction. Our mission is make the success company of construction in Malaysia. Second, know as a leading supply and service in construction. And last, develop up Malaysia to expand the supply and service provided in construction field. That is our organisation chart. For background project, we need to calculate the service for double cab truck and lorry. For double cab truck, we use Mitsubishi Triton, Ford Ranger and Isuzu D-Max. For lorry, we use Mitsubishi Center, Isuzu Lorry Cargo and last Lorry Hino XZU 600J.
Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about financial. Firstly, for the 10% deposit payment, how we calculate selling price time with 10%. So selling price of each of the car, such as Mitsubishi Triton 130,900 times with 10%, so we got 30,090 ringgit Malaysia. So okay, we go through annual car loan. For the annual car loan, monthly car payment equal to balance of 90% times interest time with 3 years plus with balance 90% over 3 times 12 months. So annual car payment, monthly car payment times 12 months. So we are using the lowest interest rate, which is 2.85% CIMB Bank. So we see that Mitsubishi Triton price 130,900 ringgit Malaysia, deposit 30,090 ringgit Malaysia. For the balance 90%, price minus with deposit, so we got 170 3,810. So interest that we use 2.85%. So how to calculate monthly car payment? So we got 3,552 ringgit 30 cent. For annually payment, 42,627 ringgit 60 cent. So we do calculation for each of the car, Mitsubishi Triton, Ford Ranger and Isuzu D-Max. Next, for car service cost annually, travel distance that we got is 50 km per day. Working annually days is 5 days per week time 52 weeks per year. So we got 260 days per year. So total travel distance annually is 50 km times with 260 days. We got 30,000 km per year. Okay, this is what we got from the service Mitsubishi Triton, Ford Ranger and Isuzu D-Max. We got from the internet. Okay, next, for the cost of annual diesel usage, price diesel now is 2 ringgit 80 cents per liter. Diesel usage annually is diesel consumption rate times with Okay, for cost of annual diesel usage, price diesel that we use is 2 ringgit and 80 cents per liter. That is fixed. Diesel usage annually equal to diesel consumption rate times with 30,000 km. Diesel cost annually ringgit Malaysia equal to diesel usage annually liter times with 2 ringgit and 80 cents. Assumption of working days is 52 weeks for 5 days per week. That is data that we got for Mitsubishi Triton 11.0 divided by 100 times with 30,000. We got diesel consumption per year. There is 1,430. For cost of diesel per year, 1,430 times with 2 ringgit and 80 cents. We got 3,170 and ringgit Malaysia and 40 cents. Okay. For salvage result after 3 years, calculate using actual information from the market. The price of a used car or car is used to determine the depreciation of the car compared to the new price 3 years ago. Therefore, used car price from 2060 are taken as benchmarks. Used car price are available on the www.mudah.my website with an average of 3 car units. Price for the new car in 2016 are taken from the web car base. So how we count it? Depreciation percentage equal to new price in 2060 minus with price applied for model 2060 in 2090 divided by new price in 2060 times 100. Salvage value after 3 years equal to new price in 2009 times with 100 minus percent of depreciation over 100. This data calculation that we got for the expected salvage value after 3 years for Mitsubishi Triton is 90,957.25 cents. For Ford Ranger 85,281 ringgit Malaysia 48 cents. For Isuzu D-Max 69,453 ringgit Malaysia and 87 cents. Okay, for NPW calculation are calculated using the MS Excel Microsoft Excel function to simplify the process. the coefficient value of the table P over A 2.885% and 3 is the years. We got from the table 2.4563. So P per F 2.85% for year 1 is 0.9723, for year 2 0.9454, for year 3 0.9192. So how we calculate? NPW is equal to negative deposit PO minus annually payment minus service cost year 1 F service 1 time with the coefficient value minus with service cost year 2 F service for coefficient value of the for second year, service coefficient year 3 F service 1 PF 2.85 for third year, cost of minus cost of annual diesel usage A diesel P over A 2.85% for 3 years plus salvage result after 3 years. So there is data that we got for NPW. NPW for Mitsubishi Triton is negative 41,045 ringgit and 87. For Ford Ranger 34,689 ringgit 63 cents. For Isuzu D-Max 36,884 ringgit Malaysia and 94 cents. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Khadijah and now I will present about the calculation of for one ton lorry. Okay, so for lorry service cost annually, the distance travel is 50 km per day and our working days is 5 days per week and we have 52 weeks per year and total is 260 days per year. For total travel distance annually, times 5 km with the 260 days, we'll get 13,000 km per year. Okay, this is the summary for our distance travel cost. So this is for year and second year, and this one is third year. And then for cost of annual diesel use, France diesel is RM2.18 per liter, and daily usage annually. To calculate it per liter, you use the diesel consumption rate times with 13 kilometers, and then to calculate the diesel cost annually in unit of ringgit Malaysia, use the diesel usage annually per liter times with RM2.18. And then assumption of working days, 52 weeks per year for 5 days per week, no public holiday. And then total travel distance annually is about 13,000 kilometers. Diesel price is RM2.80 per liter. And then this is our calculation. Okay, for Mitsubishi Canter, the fuel consumption is 8.11 liter per 100 km. Diesel consumption per year is 1,054.30. Cost diesel per year is 2,298 and 37 cents. Alright, for Isuzu lorry, fuel consumption is 10.22 liter per kilometer. Diesel consumption per year is 1,328 and cost diesel per year is 2,895 ringgit and 4 cents. Whereas for lorry Hino, fuel consumption is 11.76 liter per 100 km. Diesel consumption per year is 1,528. 3.80, and cost for diesel per year is 3,332 and 78 cents. Okay, this is the service result after 3 years. Actually, the calculation using actual information from the market. So the price of 3 years old lorry is used to determine the depreciation of the lorry compared to the new price 3 years ago. Therefore, use the lorry price from 2016 and are taken as a benchmark. So, to count the depreciation percentage, new price in 2016 minus his price applied for model 2016 in 2019 divided with new price in 2016 and times with 100. And then for salvage value after 3 years, use the new price in 2019 times with 100 minus depreciation divided with 100. Okay, this is our summary. Okay, for Mitsubishi Counter, new price in 2016 is 102,626 ringgit 64 cents. For flat applied in 2019, in average is 54,700 ringgit. For depreciation percentage for Mitsubishi Counter is 53.3%. So new price in 2019 is 84,000 ringgit. So expected saving after 3 years is about 39,288 ringgit. So for Isuzu Lorry Cargo, new price in 2016 is 101,815 ringgit 82 cents, and price for average applied in 2019 is 52,333,033 cents. For depreciation percentage is about 51.4%, and the new price in 2019 is 89,000 ringgit. So expected saving after 3 years, we will get 43,254 ringgit. So for the Lorry Hino, our new price in 2016 is 93,233 ringgit 8 cents. For average is about 49,600 ringgit, and the depreciation value is 53.2%. The new price in 2019 88,000 ringgit, and expected saving after 3 years is about 41,184 ringgit. So next is NPW. NPW is calculation are calculated using the MS Excel functions to simplify the process. The coefficient value for the table is as shown at the slide, and the below one is the how to calculate the NPW. So this is our summarization for both three types of lorry. So as you can see from the table below shown, the most lowest worst is Mitsubishi Counter, which is 23,771 ringgit and 66 cents, and the most highest worst value is Lorry Hino, which is 26,990 ringgit and 26 cents. So as you can see, the most best selection is Mitsubishi Counter. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nasha Zani binti Mustafa. So I will present the conclusion. So the first one is the allocated data budget for this project is sufficient. Second, we identify the valuability of a construction project to be carried out from an economic perspective. Third one, Construction projects have been identified to manage vehicle and financial management. The fourth one, the budget focus is sufficient. And the last one is the analysis of MPWM DCR show that double cab light pickup truck is Ford Ranger and 1-ton lorry Mitsubishi Canter as a suitable machine used in project within 5 years. Thank you.